Well, here it is. We're going to call the bottom the top and call it a day. The top looks like that. Yeah. But it's 100% completely baked through. So yeah, and the part at the that had to be cut off, we ate that as, you know, the dinner bread instead of slicing it up. So when your bread maker decides it wants to do other things other than just bake the loaf, and you end up with this, don't worry about it. There's options. Now that this is cool, it'll come right off. So yeah, I'm going to give that enough time to completely dry up and flake off. And then I'm going to turn it upside down with a brush and brush it completely out of there. Because, yeah, I don't even have to worry about trying to scrub anything. If it's necessary to scrub, then, you know, it's bread, so a little bit of water will do the trick. But, yeah, that was funny. Ah, well, there we go. One good thing about a bread maker, cleanup is like really easy. Look at there. That was very easy. I thought I was going to have to scrub it. Only thing that's left is this little piece here. And that little piece there. I'll give that some more time and maybe add some water. This has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube. People are elsewhere on the internet. It's soft. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye now.